Hello viewers, welcome to back our channel Crochet Lovers. So friends, how are you? I hope all will be may Almighty keep you happy and keep you homes inhabited, and may you continue to enjoy like this video. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful amazing crochet crop top blouse designs. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe my channel first, and also make sure to follow, be sure to follow, press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing designs with today are all new designs brought to the channel in the first time. You can also buy to the market about such designs. You can get many ideas from my videos. So friend, this video is very helpful and useful, so I will keep similar designs with my dear friend daily, inshallah. Be sure to let us know in the comment box how you like our videos. If you want to watch any videos fashion, and if you guys want, you can take a screenshot from my videos and someone else, and you can make a similar designs for yourself. This type of design is very popular in the country and girls love such clothes. So friends, today video is amazing video, has a lovely designs for you guys. Don't miss any of the video on my channel. So friends, today in this video I will share with you some different designs. We will keep sharing. Don't miss any of the video on my channel. I will share with you some different designs. We will keep sharing with you in all kind of fashion letter design. Let's go, inshallah. We'll meet again in the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget subscribe to my channel. I am very grateful to the people who have subscribed to my channel. Stay with me. We'll remember prayer, and bye.